So it's been a while since we talked about lo-fi on this channel, but there's so much stuff you can learn from it and apply to your own music, whatever genre you're making. Let's open up FL Studio. First, we're gonna find some chords for our lo-fi beats. Now, I recently discovered this sample pack called Soulful Chords from OneSelf Records. You can of course download the free version and mess around with the sounds inside. Now, this pack also has MIDIs with beautiful soulful piano chords that work perfectly for lo-fi music. All you need to do is grab the MIDI file and drag it into the piano roll, and that will save you so much time. Now, on top of this free pack, you can find the full version of this sample pack in the description down below. Oh, and Pauline from OneSelf Records was kind enough to give you guys 10% off by using the code FLStudio Basics, so don't miss out on this. Alright, so this is the chord progression I'm gonna use from the MIDI pack. That sounds amazing. Now we're gonna add a simple bass line to make it feel alive. To do that, you want to keep it very simple. You don't want it to be busy. Keep it calm and cozy. I also like to make it a short bass that fades out slowly, almost like a subtle 808. Something like this will sound amazing. Next, we're gonna add some lo-fi drums, and I have a few awesome tricks you should know. So this is a basic hi-hat, snare, and kick pattern. Let's open up the hi-hat first. To make this sound more lo-fi, hold down Control on your keyboard and drag them a little to the side to offset them. This will make it sound offbeat and it adds realism to your pattern. For the velocity curve on the bottom, randomize it a little bit. Then hold down Control and Shift and select every other hi-hat. Then hold down Alt and scroll down on your mouse to decrease the velocity of every other note. This makes it sound so realistic. Now let's move on to the kick pattern. I like to add ghost notes or double kicks every now and then. This will add charisma or bounce to your pattern. To do that, simply add a second note close to an existing one or at the end of your loop. It's really important to decrease the velocity of that note by at least 50%. There you go, but now we want to make the melody sound more lo-fi, of course. We're gonna do that by adding a vinyl effect on our melody. Cymatic's Memory is a free plugin that you should download because boy, it's amazing. All you need to do is open it up and adjust the amount of flutter to your liking. Alright, now it's incredibly important to sidechain the drums with the bass and the melody to create this pumping lo-fi effect. So to continue the lesson, click the video right here on my left. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, stay creative.